Angel here. So excited about today's video. Today I'm going to share with you what most solo entrepreneurs want their financial goal to be, and that is 10K a month. I remember that being like the biggest goal, like, oh my gosh, if I can just make $10,000 a month, right? And I know that if you've never earned $10,000 a month, that can seem like a lot of money. But what I want you guys to realize is that many of you guys that are watching this video right now, you're not too far away from generating a 10K month. And not just within your business, but just think about it mentally. On your job, most of you guys say if you make $3,000 to $6,000 a month already, just think if you started doing this on the side, you would already be at your 10K, not necessarily doing it through your own business, but who cares how the 10K come to you, okay? So I really want you guys to think that it's not that big of a stretch, or it's not that big of a dollar amount in order to generate every single month. So I want to give you guys some simple math in order to generate 10K a month as a life coach. Now, many of us know if you're a life coach, you probably have some ebooks, you probably have some audio classes, you probably have a master class, or you probably have some membership group or something like that, right? So take whatever it is that you already have or that you're thinking about creating, and I want you to put it in this simple math formula that I'm going to share with you, because I believe that when we have it simplified like this, it takes like the woo-woo away. It takes all the guesswork out. And when you really focus on how many people or how many products you need to sell in order to generate that 10K, mentally it starts to become doable and we'll start to see a path. So what I'm going to share with you is 6 different ways that you can earn 10K a month. Now you can mix and twist these things all together, or you can just stay with the focus of one of the sales strategies that I'm going to share with you. So in order to do a 10K month, I want you guys to write this down. Okay, let me give you guys a minute to get your pen and your journal. I'll wait. All right, so the first thing that I want to share with you guys is number 1, if you created an ebook or an audio or a class for $47, just $47, you only need 213 people to purchase that a month. That's it, just 213 people. Okay, sales strategy number 2 is if you create an audiobook, an ebook, a video, something, a class for $97, you only need 104 people to say yes to that product, and guess how much you've earned? Over $10,000. Sales strategy number 3. If you create a course, a class, an ebook, a workbook, some class, a bundle or something for $197, guess how many people you need? 51 people. I really hope that you guys are starting to see the math in this and to start to see how you can actually do this, like how it's actually possible for you. So the next one is if you have a class or a course that is $397, you only need 26 people to say yes in order to generate your 10K month. Last and final one, and you guys probably guessed it, if you create a master course, starting at a master course, all of your master courses, all of my coaches, they should at least be $997. So as long as the value matches that. So for $997, if you create a masterclass or a course or a training program, you only need 11 people out of the 7-point-something billion people that are on this planet that are going to say yes to you. So do you really see that it's not so much that you have to have a really big audience in order to generate a 10K month? You just need the right audience. So please stop thinking that you need to have all of these followers and all of these subscribers in order for you to generate your first 10K month. That's not true. You just need the right people to say yes in order for you to generate your first 10K. And can I explain something to you guys? You guys can do this in the comfort of your own home, in your PJs, you guys. You guys can do this in your freaking pajamas. So make sure that you guys take your notes, rewatch this video, share it with somebody that would love to make money from home as a life coach, getting paid for who they are. And also make sure that you guys subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.